So I'm Claude Moss. I'm the Executive Director of International Business for Gardner Business Media. I'm here at Intex 2023. I'm here to promote FITMA. FITMA is an international trade show for manufacturing and technology in manufacturing, and it is in Mexico City in June 2021 and 22 this year. It is really exciting to share this opportunity with the Indian machine tool technology suppliers. We have noticed through the last 10 years I've been in the market in Mexico that there's not much presence for the Indian machine tool sector. So FITMA will be a great opportunity for them to present themselves. Mexico and all of Latin America is one of the most aggressive and up and coming manufacturing sectors in the world. And obviously, we know that there's some other sectors that have some challenges right now. So I think Mexico is a great opportunity for Indian machine tool and Indian machine or Indian manufacturers to really focus on for opportunity for tomorrow and for the future.